It's Evelyn. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm back with another home vlog video. I made a video a couple of weeks ago talking about making more office videos, sharing with you exactly what I do, making my hair loss products. I do make products for hair loss and I sell them on my Etsy shop, but today I want to share with you step by step exactly what I do to process my orders. Okay, my next step, now that I have filled out my product checklist, over here on this side of my office, I have this, I don't know what to call it, but I have a list of all of my products that's in my shop. And what I am going to do is write out how many of each of the products I need to make according to my checklist. So on my checklist, I have Scalp Tonic, and today is April 1st, by the way, and I am working on 14 orders. I do have 14 orders. Right. Butter. Treatment whites. Treatment whites. Two. And T0. Okay. Now that I have printed off all of the packing slips, I am going to lay them all out on the table, and then I am going to take each packing slip, get the cards that go with each order. Hi, it is the next day, and I have gone ahead and I worked through the night making my products, and so I am done with making the products. So all I have left to do is to cut my tissue paper and make my boxes and package up the orders. So I hope you enjoyed this video, sharing with you a few steps that I do in prepping my orders, getting my shop ready to ship out orders. I do work alone and I love what I do. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.